Hi, today I'm gonna talk about how to write literature review. The literature review includes three major parts. We have the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Today we will focus on how to write the introduction and what are the main elements that should be present in any introduction. You need to know that the introduction should have these three main things. First, we should have the opening, where you introduce and define the topic that you were making a research about. And then you should present the problem statement and the significance of this problem. So you have to discuss the importance and relevance of this topic to the current time, trends, interests, and contexts. And you should state what is the problem that this topic is discussing and justify why it has been researched. And then you come up with a thesis statement. You can mention up to three main ideas that you have located in the literature you have collected, and that will be reviewed in the body. So in the introduction you will have three major parts. The opening, where, as you mentioned, you will define and introduce your topic. Then you state your problem and its significance. Why are you searching about it? What motivated you to search about this particular topic and problem? And why should I care about it? Why should the world be interested in this topic? So you need to create this environment or this context. It's the whole space that surrounds the problem. So this is the context. And usually the introduction is about 250 to 300 words. It should be detailed and expanded. So it may include more than one paragraph as an opening, one paragraph explaining the problem and the significance of this problem. Then you indent and write the thesis statement. Now, the thesis statement is basically what is it that you will do. You can state also the purpose of the study here. So, as an example of a thesis statement, this is an example of a thesis statement. Hence, of course, after fully writing the previous paragraphs explaining the context of the topic, the problem, and its significance, as we said, you can make an indent and then write this sentence. Hence, it is paramount to examine the factors, effects, and preventions to this topic. Therefore, this literature review will address the causes, effects, and solution of the problem and stating the topic that you're searching about. So as you can see, we have mentioned up to three main ideas or themes. Okay, as we mentioned here, three ideas, themes that you will locate in your literature and review in the body. So we are stating these three main ideas, which is the factors or the causes, effects, and preventions or solution to this problem and this specific topic. As we mentioned also, after stating the thesis, you can add the purpose of the study. So you will elaborate more. What would be the purpose of the study? For example, you could say that the study will further explain the contemporary causes and effects of the topic that you chose and state exactly what you want to do, what you want to address related to the research question and purpose of the study.